सिस्टम ओके यो टपिक एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट टपिक हो स्टेट लेभल पिएससी एक्जामिनेसन्स अनि कुनै पनि सेन्ट्रल गभर्मेन्टको एक्जामहरू अनि स्टेट गभर्मेन्टको भनिहालेँ सेन्ट्रल गभर्मेन्टको अनि कुनै पनि एन्ट्रेन्सको एक्जामहरू क्लियर गर्नु लागि एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेसनहरू मैले यहाँ फ्रेम गरेको छु अबाउट द सन यहाँबाट पढेपछि बाहिरबाट पढ्नु पर्दैन ओके लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट द सन सन इज द सेन्टर of the solar system. Sun is at the center of the solar system. Okay, its size is 13 lakh times as that of Earth. Earth ko bhanda sun ko size 13 lakh kilometer as that of Earth. Okay. So it is the nearest star. Okay, of the Earth. Sun is the nearest star of the Earth. Okay. So let's start. Question number 1 is what is the diameter of the sun? Sun ko diameter कति छ सनको diameter कति छ diameter of the sun is 14 lakh kilometers okay 14 lakh kilometers diameter of the sun is 14 lakh kilometers that means radius is 7 lakh kilometer okay so this is also important question number 2 is what is the composition of sun what are the composition of sun so sun के लिए बनेको हो hydrogen 71% helium 26.5% and other elements 2.5% okay सबैभन्दा बेसी हाइड्रोजनको मात्र बेसी छ सनमा सनको कम्पोजिसनमा what are the main gases present in the sun question number 3 सनमा भएको सबैभन्दा धेरै मात्रामा भएको ग्यासेस के हो हाइड्रोजन एन्ड हेलियम that is 71% and 26% right so let's move to another question the process by which hydrogen is converted to helium this is very important question किनभने धेरैवटा क्वेशन यो धेरैवटा एक्जाममा यो क्वेशन आएको छ सो हाइड्रोजनलाई H2 लाई हेलियममा He मा कन्भर्ट गर्नेलाई के भन्छ प्रोसेसलाई न्युक्लियर फ्युजन देयर इज अनदर प्रोसेस न्युक्लियर फिसन र न्युक्लियर फ्युजन हुन्छ सो हामी वी टेन्ड टु गेट कन्फ्युज्ड सो न्युक्लियर फ्युजन इज द प्रोसेस ओके सो व्हाट इज द सर्फेस टेम्परेचर अफ द सनको सर्फेस टेम्परेचर कति छ 5778 केल्भिन ओके 5778 केल्भिन मिन्स 5778 केल्भिन मिन्स 5504.85 degree Celsius okay so this is also important question now what are solar flares okay solar flares bhaneko ke ho a storm of hot atoms which dissipates from the photosphere of the sun overcomes its gravity and goes into the outer space is known as solar flares bhaneko chai euta a storm of hot atoms okay which dissipates from the photosphere of the sun overcomes its gravity and goes into the outer space is known as solar flares right okay this is also important so another question what are the terms used for solar flares in the north pole and south pole region north pole र south pole मा जुन चाहिँ त्यो अघि hot storm थियो नि उलाई त्यो hot storm is called solar flares so solar flares चाहिँ north pole र south pole मा अलग अलग टर्म युज गरेको छ solar flares लाई okay so north pole region मा चाहिँ यसलाई भन्छ aurora borealis okay this is aurora borealis so this one is aurora borealis and see in south pole it is called aurora australis so this is aurora australis look how beautiful it looks okay another question okay what are sunspots bhaneko ke ho the regions from where the sun flares originates some dark spots are seen they are called sunspots the spots are relatively colder region so the region from where agi ko jun हामीले पढेको थियो hot storm of gases the region from where the hot storm of gases originate some dark spots are seen some dark spot चाहिँ देख्छ जस्तै यस्तो है so there is picture you can see from the picture okay some dark spots are seen they are called as sunspots the spots are relatively colder region अरु सनको एरिया भन्दा this flare area is colder region okay this flare area is relatively colder region so question number 10 what is photosphere shining surface of the sun which appears like a disk radiates energy and acts as a source of energy is called photosphere भनेको चाहिँ एउटा disk shaped shining surface of the earth जसले चाहिँ एनर्जी दिन्छ this is called photosphere okay you can look at the picture okay this is the photosphere this one is the photosphere okay so this is photosphere what is chromosphere question number 11 reddish and glowing layers of gas above the sun's photosphere is called chromosphere so reddish and glowing layers of gas above the sun's photosphere so photosphere ko mathiko this one is chromosphere okay so this one is chromosphere okay this is C this is P okay CP so PC okay photosphere and chromosphere right so another is what is corona so question number 12 answer is the outer layer of the sun's atmosphere made up of thin hot gases is called corona and it is visible only during solar eclipse or with a special solar telescope called coronagraph okay so this is called coronagraph so what is corona the outer layer of the sun's atmosphere corona is the outer layer of the sun's atmosphere made up of thin hot gases is called corona. It is visible only during total solar eclipse. This is important. It is only visible during total solar eclipse or with a special solar telescope. It is called coronagraph. Okay, so another question, what is the distance between the earth and the sun? This is also very much important question from exam point of view. The question number 13, what is the distance between the earth and the sun? And the answer is the sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Okay, how much time does the sunlight takes to reach the earth? This is the bonus point, and because this is important question. Okay, how much time does the sunlight takes to reach the earth? This is sunlight and this is earth. How much time is taken by the sunlight to reach the earth is 8.5 minutes. Okay, 8.5 minutes. So this is also very much important. So thank you. Tomorrow I'll be teaching you all about the another member of the solar system, which is also very much important. So keep updating yourself. Thank you.